Welcome to Click for Appointment video series. In this video, we are covering appointment management using Click for Appointment application in laptop and desktop. So in this video, we are covering appointment calendar, booking a new appointment, notifications using SMS, WhatsApp, and email, managing various status for the appointment, rescheduling, and the follow-up appointment booking, and finally, how to manage the time slot for the doctors who are working in the clinic. So in this video, we are focusing on this calendar. So let me click on this calendar from the left side navigation. So here, you'll see like from today to next 7 days available slots. In order to book an appointment, you can click on any slot on any day. So when you click on it, it will give you the option to select a doctor and enter the patient details. In case if the patient is already there, it will show the suggestion the moment you start typing the patient name. And then so you have this appointment date and appointment time, and then you can change the duration for the appointment. And you can mention what is the reason for the appointment. Let's say this is for the consultation. We just select this as a consultation. And you can put a note in case if you need to pass on the information from about anything about this appointment to the concerned doctor. We have two options here, default patient notification and WhatsApp from the clinic. This one, if you choose WhatsApp from the patient from the clinic, the message will be sent from the clinic WhatsApp number. In order to do that, you need to have the WhatsApp installed in this laptop and link that WhatsApp to your mobile number. Then you click on the save changes. So it booked the appointment and it would have already sent the SMS to the patient. So now it gives this message which can be sent. So don't worry about this formatted text. It is for beautifying the message when we see that in the WhatsApp. So here it will take you to this web interface where you need to click on this continue to chat. So now we have booked that appointment. That appointment is visible in this calendar here. So if you click on this appointment in the calendar, it will display this details. If you click on this patient name, it will open the patient in a new window. You have the option to view patient, check in, mark it as engaged, or mark it as complete, no show, cancel, reschedule. And you have the copy option. Let's say you want to copy the same appointment in multiple time slot, right? You can use this one. And you have the add a note. Let's say in case if you want to add a note about this appointment, you will be able to do it. So resend appointment to notification. Let's say sometime what happens, you would have booked the appointment, but patient did not receive the notification. So you can resend the notification. And you have the option to send a care message and post-op instruction. And so you have the option to send a Google review, delete, and then close. I will show you how this works with this notification. One of this notification I'll show you. Let's say, for example, I want to send a Google review. I click on this Google review. It will show this pop-up saying, okay, share Google review link to the patient. You can choose either the default notification or WhatsApp from the clinic. So when you do this one, so it will prepare the message with your review link. Your Google review link will be configured in the software, and then the same will be used for sending the message to your patient. So that way, instead of you asking them orally, you can just trigger the notification so they can book the appointment. They can give the review during their free time. So that's how you'll be able to handle the appointment in the calendar. So, and also here in the left side also you have the same option. So if you see like or say in the right, in the right side, you'll see like or say today's appointment listed, where you can click on this action button, and then so you have the option to mark it as checked in. Let's say patient has arrived, and then so sitting in the lobby, you can mark it as a checked in. So that way, a doctor who's sitting in the consultation room so knows who are the patient who are already waiting in the lobby, and then so they can engage with the patient. Let's say once this patient enters the consultation room, you can mark it as engage. And once the appointment is complete, you'll be able to mark this appointment as complete. So if you want to reschedule the appointment, you have the option to click on this reschedule. That will be able to click on that or say different date and time. And that's why you'll be able to reschedule the appointment. In case if you want to cancel the appointment, you have the option to cancel the appointment. And also you have an option to filter the appointments by the doctor. You want to see only demo doctor 1, and if you want to see only doctor 2 appointment, you'll be able to filter based on this. And also you'll be able to view the appointment in monthly calendar view. And also you have the option to move, let's say, using this right and left arrow, you'll be able to change the month, week, and then so day. And in click for appointments, so we have one more interface for viewing the appointments. Here you have this appointments. When you click on this link, you'll be able to see the same appointments, whatever you see in the calendar view in the tabular format. So you can switch between the calendar and in the appointment table view, whichever is convenient for you, you should be able to use it. Both of them have similar functionality, but it's only the view which is different. In this view, so you also have the option to print the appointment list. Let's say you want to hand it over to the doctor, so when they come to the clinic, so let's say if they are not using the laptop or desktop, you have the option to print. You'll be able to get this appointment or say printed and handed over to the doctor. 6th. So when you need to give this follow-up appointment, you can simply click on this date and then you choose that patient name and fix the appointment then and there result. So that way your appointment calendar is up to date. You know what dates you already have the scheduled appointments. So this way it makes managing your appointment very easy. And the communication will be sent automatically. Let's say you have given the appointment, communication goes to the patient. And let's say appointment is for tomorrow or day after tomorrow. On the day of appointment, there will be a reminder message which will be sent to the patient. So that way, so they know they have to make a time for the appointment and say visit your clinic. And even when you are outside the clinic and your staff is handling appointment management, you will have that up to date calendar will be there with you. You can at any given point of time, you can see what are my appointments scheduled. Here I'll be explaining how to manage the settings related to the appointment. In the left side, you have this doctors. On the doctors, it will display all the doctors. So I will take one of this doctor, and then so here you have the option to uh, edit the doctor. So when you go to the edit the doctor, you have the settings. In the settings, you'll be able to manage the appointment interval. Like what is the minimum appointment interval for this doctor? Let's say some doctors so they take like 15 minutes for appointment. Some doctors they take 30 minutes for appointment in the same clinic. You'll be able to change this one. And also you'll be able to change the display uh, appointment display in the calendar view. You can change what is the color, so that you can graphically you can identify the appointment based on the doctor. And also you have this message setting where you can enable or disable notifications by different modes. Let's say you don't want the SMS notification for certain doctors, you can disable it. In certain doctors, you don't want the WhatsApp notification, you can disable it. So in certain doctors, they don't want to receive the email notification, you can disable or enable. So both the ways, you can either enable or you can disable. That is one thing. Second thing is, to go back to the same doctor list again. So you have this action button, click on this, you'll be able to see the time slot. So when you click on the time slot, you will be able to set up like or design the available time slot for the doctor. So first thing is like available time. So from Monday to Sunday, what time to what time the doctor is available. The beginning of the day time and end of the day time you enter it. And then so in between, if the doctor is taking a break, you can enter the break. In case if the doctor is going on a vacation, you'll be able to enter the vacation start date and end date. Let's say doctor is on vacation starting from 28th and then to 30th. You'll be able to enter it. So when you enter this vacation time, so staff will not be able to book the appointment during this time. So I will go back to this calendar. In the calendar, based on the doctor color coding which you have updated, you'll be able to see the appointments displayed in different color for different doctors. So, and also I'll show you how to block the time for a given doctor. Let's say I'll click on this one, appointment. Instead of this one booking appointment, I'll go to this block time. So here you can choose particular doctor, and let's say doctor is not available from 30th to 31st. You'll be able to select this time and then just submit it. So that way it will mark that appointment calendar as blocked. If you have any queries, please reach out to us on the number which is displayed on the screen. Thank you once again for watching the video.